aren't they just adorable? I don't remember what the stock ones are, but my lug nuts are 19 mil. I'm just gonna crack them real quick. You could take these off after you take the axle nut off and pull the whole assembly out, but I'm going to try to do it now while it's attached to the truck because I don't have a vise here. I had these off once before when I put the longer studs. That's why they're breaking off so easily. Otherwise, I would have needed the impact. No impact, no problem. Top one is 14 millimeter, bottom one is 17. Axle nuts are 32 mil. And these are actually the entire pin, which need more grease when I go to put it back together. You don't want that seizing up. I mean, I had a lot of material left on them, but it's really the condition of the rotor that worries me. It's got a lot of scoring and a lot of rust spots. Plus, when I spun it by hand, it was catching in one spot. It's just better safe than sorry. And the nice thing, you don't have to actually take off the entire caliper bracket to get the rotor off. Just lives in here. I got my caliper retractor. You're going to want to wipe off the oil from manufacturing on these rotors so your brakes work. And the pads are the same. They're mirrored images, so you can't put them in backwards. I shouldn't say you can't. Seeing as the bottom one didn't have any grease on it, I'm gonna check the top one too. You don't grease these pins and they seize up. You end up wearing out one side, one pad on the inside or outside faster. No bueno. A little grease goes a long way. If you got no other way to stop it from spinning, use some leverage. But set it up the right way. And if you can help it, I recommend sliding the hub back on the splines in a way where your cotter pin hole does not line up with a stud like I had it before, because that makes it harder to tap it in place with a hammer or pull it out with pliers, because you're gonna end up hitting your studs. So that's see what happens when you have the holes lined up nice? It's not even a struggle. But before we put the wheel back on, I'm gonna go ahead and balance it, because I never balance these wheels. Looks like half an ounce will get us pretty dang close. So that's what we're gonna do. One side done, on to the next one. Wheels are all balanced. They only needed half a gram on 2 of them. The other ones didn't need anything. It's nice quality from Koenig. Front brakes are done. Nice and shiny. I didn't take it for a test drive yet because I kind of got ahead of myself and already put it up on stands, getting ready to mess with the exhaust. Oh well.